iSupport chart features. iSupport includes chart functionality for tracking the metrics that are important to your company. You can display charts in different formats via the chart component on the desktop for support representatives and on mySupport portals for customers. To remove an item in the chart, click on its label in the legend. You can click on a portion of the chart to display the applicable filtered view. Use the Export as Image icon in the chart component on the desktop to export a chart as a PNG file. The image size will be set based upon the size and resolution of the frame in which the icon was clicked. You can use the Advanced Search to filter data in a chart. As shown in iSupport's Content Manager, iSupport includes many charts that you can display or copy and modify, but you can easily create charts to suit your needs. Two types of charts can be configured: rep charts and work item charts. Rep charts are based on views and can display in bar, column, pie, area, and gauge formats. To create a rep chart, select Chart Designer on the desktop content menu or Rep Chart on the Create menu in the Content Manager. To get started, you'll need to select the view on which to base the chart. The values in the selected view will appear under Step 2. Select the value that you wish to monitor. Use the fields in the Step 3 Configure Chart Parameters section to design the chart and specify access, which can either be private for your own desktop display or shared for others to access. Note that permissions can be set for creating, editing, and deleting personal and shared charts. Use a gauge display type to depict the amount of a specific value in the format of a thermometer or dial. To create a chart for display on mySupport portals, select mySupport Chart on the Create menu in the Content Manager, or select Chart Designer under the mySupport Content heading on the Desktop Content menu. mySupport charts have the same configuration fields as rep charts, but can only appear on a mySupport portal. A rep work item chart, shown here, can display data on incidents, problems, changes, and purchase requests. You can set colors, track multiple work item types and field values in one chart, and specify time frame types such as monthly trending. To create a rep work item chart, select Work Item Chart Designer on the Desktop Content menu, or open the Content Manager on the desktop and select Rep Work Item Chart from the Create menu. You can configure two sets of criteria, or series, to display in the same chart. In addition to counts, options are included for displaying total and average time open, total and business time open, and total and average time worked to show trends for specified time frames. Use the Units field to select the unit of time for the selected time-based option. Select the format for the first set of criteria: area, area stacked, bar, bar stacked, column, line, line stacked, or scatter. Select the work item record types to chart for the first set of criteria. Use the Access field to make the chart either personal for your own desktop display or shared for others to access. Use the Grouping field to select the field and field values to chart for the specified work item types, or select None to chart a count for the specified time frame. There are several different time frames to choose from. You can select Yes in the last field to include data for the past time frame intervals and then enter the number of intervals, or select No to select the dates for the time frame. Saved rep work item charts will appear in the Work Items module in the Content Manager, and in the Work Items folder in the Chart Component Configuration dialog. Administrators can use the Chart View Audit Tracking screen in Configuration to display audit history entries for chart and view updates. That's it for an overview of iSupport's chart functionality. If you have questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST Saturdays and Sundays for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.